Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your phone and giving the camera permission if needed. Open the native camera app or a QR-capable app like Google Lens. This is faster than searching menus. Once the app is active, hold the phone 6 to 12 inches from the Chick-fil-A QR code and center it in the frame. Make sure autofocus locks. You'll often see a square or highlight. If you see nothing, tilt slightly to reduce glare and keep the phone steady while the phone recognizes the code. Once the code is in frame, wait for a notification or URL banner to appear. Modern phones detect QR data within 1 or 2 seconds. Tap that banner immediately to open Chick-fil-A's site or ordering page because some scanners time out. When the page loads, make sure to accept minimal permissions, location or cookies, only if you want nearby store suggestions or saved preferences. If the ordering page requires a sign-in, decide whether to continue as guest or log in for saved items and payment methods. After the page opens, pick your items and choose pickup or delivery, then review the cart and select payment. Apple Pay, Google Pay, or card entry are supported. Confirm the order and note the estimated ready time. You'll get an order number. If the QR scan fails, try a quick troubleshoot. Wipe the camera lens, increase ambient light, hold the phone steadier or at a slightly different angle and try again. If still blocked, manually type the short URL printed near.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.